Everybody in the daily job has a key role in reliability. It is essential for Airbus. It's one of the biggest expectations from the customer. The customer expects a product that is safe and a product that is reliable. And everybody in the team has to focus on reliability. To be reliable is a way of being. Reliability is to be predictable. You cannot pretend to be reliable one day and not the following one. The customer perceives the quality of an aircraft but needs to rely that we can keep these standards of quality. For me, reliability is the basis of trust. I need to rely on the customer in the same way he relies on me. Everybody, daily work, has a result on the whole Airbus. Everybody is aware and concerned about to deliver on time, on costs, on quality. I'm really proud to work with a very reliable team every time I deliver an aircraft.